everybody. Welcome to the Nick High Holiday Jam. I think as Rudolph says, this is going to be off the hook.
Okay. We are Holiday Jam coordinators. We have a lot of fun activities here for tonight with some special guest acts. Along with the Christmas festivities, we also have special holiday activities. In the corner, there's a doodle bee, and ours is filled with yarmulkes and chocolate coins. So there's that.
And if you celebrate Kwanzaa, I've read several books on that. Well, here's a word from the principal.
Attention teachers. Welcome and have fun tonight. Thank you, teachers and students, for your time. To make that very important outside.
Well, without further ado, here are some of our students performing their rendition of the Christmas song.
That the elf costumes for the dance performance were borrowed this morning and being worn by some of the students. So if that is you, please return them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for holding it for that important announcement.
Or in this case, elf-esteem.
It's our gym teacher.
Hey! Show this man some respect! These gym coordinators have been going through all this work to have a good assembly for you people! Happy holidays.
Okay, time to do the dance that you all worked on very hard.
here